Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, you are seeing a different planner. I decided that instead of going with planning out my monthly spread in my A5, I'm gonna just start using my weeks. I know, and it was a decision that I didn't think that I was gonna make, but I'm really excited to get into my weeks now. I'll still finish off all of the journaling spreads in the Sterling Ink A5, but I think for weekly and monthly, I'm gonna go ahead and start in my Hobonichi weeks. So for the monthly spread for December, I will be using some stickers from my shop. I will be using the Holiday Hygge. I almost said Hygge, but it's Hygge that I released a couple of weeks ago. And I'm really excited to use these because they're such cute stickers. And like, for example, I love that washi. I'm excited to use these. Oh, there goes Lucy. But I use this monthly spread as a social media planner so that I can plot out when my videos are, if there's anything extra I'm going to post and things like that. Let's get started. All right, so I had to wait until Lucy was done barking because, I mean, that's not distracting at all. So I think I'm going to put these down at the bottom, or these, or just do these little ones because they're so cute, or because I keep changing my mind as to what I want. Maybe, okay, maybe I'll do like one here. Oh, I love it already. And it's like I'm wearing the matching denim. That was totally not planned today. But yeah, I went back and forth as to whether or not to do this in my A5 or to do it in here. But I thought, you know what? Let's just go ahead and start it. And I am excited to get this going. So put this here. And then at the bottom, I think I'm gonna do maybe miniatures of these. Or let's do the bottom row. Because yeah, I also want to save some of these for my weekly spread that I'll be using in my Hobonichi weeks, which I'm both excited and nervous about because it's a new planner system that I'm using for my everyday life. Like, I've used a Hobonichi weeks before, but for work. So this is completely different to what I'm used to. And let's put this one. Oh, I love that. I am actually going to keep this really simple because down the side here is also where I put what stickers I'm going to be using for the week. And I'm in a really weird spot because of Canada Post. Because of the Canada Post strike, I have I actually have quite a few, maybe like 4 or 5 incoming packages, and 2 of them are from sticker shops that I'm waiting for like Christmas stickers for. So I'm kind of in limbo here, but you know, we'll do the best we can. And even if I don't get a chance to use them this December, I always have next year. So let's see. Okay, I think I'm actually just going to leave it simple just like that. And then I'm going to go in here with my fountain pen. This is my Platinum Preppy that has some urushi and Rodin work done it by Garage Fountain Pen. But I also think I want to use my pastel primary manipulation here and just write in IG and YouTube, and then once I'm done writing in IG and YouTube, then I can write in what videos I know I'm already planning out for the month of December. So now that I've added some print in there, just showing you what the back of the spread looks like. There is some shadow and a tiny bit of bleed through, but it doesn't affect, I mean, I'm not too bothered by it. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, to me, I'm going to end up writing over it next month anyway, so I'm not too bothered by it. I know that Tomoe River paper, there is going to be some shadow and bleed through, so I just need to be a little careful, that's all. All right, and then down the side here is normally where I write what sticker kits I'm going to use for the week, but because I'm a little bit in limbo with that, I'm not going to do that right now. The only one I know that I'm going to probably use is my own stickers here. So putting down my own new release stickers to use for that week, and then the rest is kind of still up in the air based on what I'm getting. Now there's still some blank spots in here in terms of what I'm going to film, and I have these sticky notes from Memo-Me that I use to kind of put in place of the things that I'm not sure if I'm gonna do them or not. So like there's still some ideas here that are a little, you know, up in the air, but I'll leave that as is. But yeah, that is my quick and easy monthly spread. I say it's going to take a bit of an adjustment, but I'm using the monthly spread in the exact same way that I was using it in the A5. It's just a little smaller than usual, but I like it because I don't really need a lot of room. If you see my monthly spreads from before, there is still so much white space in there, and I really don't need all of that room. It was fun to decorate, but again, I don't need all of that space, so I like that it is simplified. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.